Hello, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor here at the 2022 IADC Advanced Rig Technology Conference here in Austin, Texas. With me right now is Rune Loftager, Head of Technology at Maersk Drilling. Mr. Loftager gave a presentation on embedding energy and efficiency in the company's operations. He's also the co-author of an article that is running in the September-October 2022 print edition of Drilling Contractor, now available. Rune, thank you so much for speaking with me today.
No problem. You're welcome.
So, here at the conference, you talked about energy efficiency. Maersk Drilling is in the midst of an initiative to improve energy efficiency, I should say, in its operations and sort of help with emissions. One of the things that you said in your presentation was how data infrastructure is a key enabler of generating greater energy efficiency. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, well, we are actually creating an increased awareness level, right? So instead of just using absolute numbers on our consumption figures, we can take a step deeper and actually understanding our behavior and whether we can optimize further and quantify that in terms of CO2 and savings. So providing solutions to our people out there that can actually make a difference.
Can you talk a little bit about the trends that you've seen, that Maersk Drilling has seen, in terms of power consumption, in terms of sort of optimizing equipment usage at the rig, at the well site? What have you seen so far?
Well, we have quite good experiences with creating this awareness. It was really a step from just measuring and visualizing and taking a step back and understanding also what it needs for us to create that awareness. And I think what we've really seen is also that decarbonization is a team sport, and our clients, we need to bring them on board, and we really see a great interest in when we are collaborating with them. Much closer collaboration is going on where they really are getting in and are being part of the process and working with our rig crew in optimizing our operations.
So obviously you talked about sort of the progress that you've seen in terms of energy efficiency, in terms of power consumption, optimizing power usage. How does Maersk Drilling ensure that the progress you've seen so far kind of continues into the future? What do you have to do?
Well, that is a good question and something that we have also worked on. And the easy one would just be to create new processes and meetings that could burden our rig crew. But instead, we have really tried to not using our systems and processes that we already have and implementing energy and efficiency into those. So really making sure that it's part of the agenda in our conversations out there, and it keeps being in our mind also when we get new crew on board, that they understand our expectations of them on the energy use.
Well, Rune, thank you so much for taking the time here at the conference to speak with me today. It was a fascinating presentation and also a fascinating article that you have in our latest edition of Drilling Contractor. Thanks again.
All right, no problem.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.